दर्यादेगांचेर उदका खेळ आनी हेर कार्यावळींचेर नियंत्रण करपाच्या पर्यटन खात्यान घेतिल्ल्या निर्णयाक TTAGचे मुखेली निलेश हान येवकार दिला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Basically, we understand when what TTDC and the Tourism Minister initiative which they are taken, there is a clear-cut direction from the High Court that there has to be queue system. आणि jenna आता तुम्ही खंय गेला there is a mess everywhere. So if there is a process which have been initiated by the government, it should be welcome. And especially the welcome should be from political dispensation. So आम्ही कितें म्हणटा की प्रॉब्लेम जो जे इतको वयर जाता टॅक्सीचो इश्यू जाल्लो इट इज गोईंग ऑन एंड ऑन. द मेन रिजन इज द पॉलिटिकल डिस्पेन्शन आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग द सिस्टम. वेन हे जेन्ना हे करपाक सोदता तांकां आपूण कितके जोडटा ते दाखोवपाक नाका आणि दे वॉन्ट टू चार्ज ओव्हरचार्ज द कस्टमर. if the system लागली then it is beneficial to everyone. तुम्ही बुकिंग ऑनलाईन वर्ल्डान खंयच्यानी करू शकता. Not only that, there will be a standard pricing also. And customer will find it safe because what happens with this, the safety angle will come to it, which we are neglecting. I mean, what we are seeing is there are a lot of incidents which are happening at different water sport activity in India, which are in Goa specifically, which are getting unreported. So with the system in place, the safety standard will increase, the pricing will be rationalized, and overall customer will welcome such move. So tourist wants today the safety, transparency and value for the money what is paid. So I think overall it is a welcome step, and I think political dispensation should support such initiative. Yes, maybe there may be some grievances of the operator which can be considered sitting across, but stating that my way or highway is not the way forward, because any industry, if it has to flourish, it has to be with the land of law. And if the land of law is not followed, then I think we are asking for trouble in long term. And with this, if we don't control or look into the situation now, what will happen in days to come, the tourism will show the backward to Goa and they will move on to some other destination. Why that go that far? आमचं कुशीबूत असा महाराष्ट्र मालवणात the facility जे असा, I think customer will start moving there, because if the pricing is good, if they are getting better value, safety is looked into it, and basically the customer is ultimately king. Everybody has to realize. So for the benefit of the tourist, I think certain system which government is trying to bring in, which is good, which has to be supported by everyone, and specifically by political dispensation, because that will go a long way into getting the vibrancy of tourism industry and the sustainability of tourism industry. When we talk about sustainability, we talk about each vertical of the tourism getting business round the clock, and which all people who are involved in trade also flourish. Now, if that thing is to happen, I think there has to be somewhere wherein the land of law is followed strictly, and basically the overall environment is kept, which is as a safety, cleanliness, and overall value based, rather than overall the services which tourists are being provided.